Hey everyone, it is Matt here, and today I have an exciting update for you. If you've followed this channel for any length of time, you know that our goal is to help classical musicians learn how to play their instruments in a worship band setting, worship in alignment with the Holy Spirit, and ultimately use their gifts to glorify God. To do this, we've created video trainings, written articles, and even released an ebook. I'm super proud of the work we've done so far. However, there's something I've been wrestling with for a while now. While our goal involves serving people who play melodic classical instruments in general, the name of our brand currently features just one instrument, the violin. Now, in a lot of ways, this makes sense. The channel creates worship resources, and I myself play the violin, so worship violin. But the thing is, we don't want to just serve violinists. We also want to serve cellists and violists and clarinetists and saxophonists and trumpeters, really any melodic classical instrument. So the worry is that when people who play other instruments see the word violin in our branding, they'll think our content isn't for them. And as a result, we end up alienating many of the very people we want to serve. And that's not a good thing. So for that reason, I'm here to officially announce a change in our brand's name. Instead of Worship Violin, as we've been known thus far, from here on out, we will be known as Classical in Church. We feel this name really reflects our mission of helping classical musicians learn to play their instruments in church, hence the name, Classical in Church. I know this change might be a bit jarring to the many of you, the millions, billions, trillions maybe even, who have followed this channel for a while and have grown accustomed to the Worship Violin brand, but rest assured, the mission remains the same. We still want to help classical musicians learn how to play their instruments in a church worship band setting, worship in alignment with the Holy Spirit, and ultimately use their gifts to honor God. So the content we create will look very similar, but the hope is that changing our name to better align with our mission will help us reach even more musicians for years to come. Okay? And that's all you really need to know for now. This change will roll out slowly over the coming weeks and months, but like I said, it won't really feel like a change other than the name of our brand. For now though, I really appreciate your support of this channel. It truly means so much. I hope our content blesses you and that it helps you use your gifts to glorify God. Thanks for watching.